Welcome back to 4K Tech. Today we're going to do a review on this, unboxing and review on this Avalon Nano 3. You could get these in Indiegogo.com. It's a website. I think they're out of China or Japan, somewhere out there. But right now they're out of stock, and you can get them in blue, pink, black, and white. I got this in black. Got shipped here today. They're the all new 2024 models. They actually hash up to 4 terahash, where I have the Bitcoin merch here, and it only does 283 gigahash. So this is a huge difference, and I'll probably just end up solo mining on it, or maybe even Bitcoin Cash, because the odds are a little bit better to hit a block with Bitcoin Cash than it is just with Bitcoin. Anyway, this is really satisfying. Look at this box. It looks like something from an Apple product. It's pretty nice. Let's see what it looks like. All right. There we go. And you can see how big it is. So yeah, I remember that comes off. This is a magnetic grill here. You could have that off. Actually, if you could actually turn it this way, and it'll put the heat a different direction. It's also known as a heater. So if you got a cold room, keep it by your feet on the floor, or just even on the side there. All right, so let's see what it came with here. It does not come with the. You have to buy the power supply separate. I think there's 2 different power supplies. I got the one that goes up to 140 watts. And it was like, I think complete total, everything was like $160 out the door. The machine itself is $99. Here's the power right here. Pretty solid. There it is right there. Then it comes with the power cord, of course. And that's all it does. All you do is plug that bad boy right into the back there. And I'm going to try to get this thing networked. Well, that's it. I'll try to leave it a link in the description below on the Indigo website, so you could just click that link and order directly from them. But they are in back order, so it might take you a few months to get one. Or you can overpay and you go to eBay and pay a little bit more money. Well, thanks for viewing.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.